Verb is forget. Present tense, I forget. Past, I forgot. Future, I will forget. Verb become. Present, I become. Past, I became. Future, I will become. Next is verb lose. Present, I lost. Future, I will lose. Next is wear. Present, I wear. Past, I wore. Future, I will wear. So friends, this is how you can do your speaking practice. Okay. Next is sleep. Present, I sleep. Past, I slept. Future, I will sleep. So next verb is get. Present, I get. Past, I got. Future, I will get. Next is verb fly. Present, I fly. Past, I flew. Future, I will fly. Next verb is read. Present, I read. Past, I read. Future, I will read. Next is write. Present, I write. Past, I wrote. Future, I will write. Next verb is see. Present, I see. Past, I saw. Future, I will see. Next verb is give. Present, I give. Past, I gave. Future, I will give. Okay, so these are present simple, past simple and future simple. Verb think. Present, I think. Past, I thought. Future, I will think. Next is meet. Present, I meet. Past, I met. Future, I will meet. Next is win. Present, I win. Past, I won. Future, I will win. Next is build. Present, I build. Past, I built. Future, I will build. Verb fall. Present, I fall. Present, I fell. Future, I will fall. Next is draw. Present, I draw. Past, I drew. Future, I will draw. Draw means खींचना, कोई भी लाइन वगैरह खींचना. Sing. Present, I sing. Past, I sang. Future, I will sing. Next is wake. Present, I wake. Past, I woke. Future, I will wake. Okay, so next is tell. Present, I tell. Past, I told. Future, I will tell. So next is catch. Present, I catch. Past, I caught. Future, I will catch. Next is know. Present, I know. Past, I knew. Future, I will know. Next is come. Present, I come. Past, I came. Future, I will come. Next is run. Present, I run. Past, I ran. Future, I will run. Eat. Present, I eat. Past, I ate. Future, I will eat. Next is take. Present, I take. Past, I took. Future, I will take. Next verb is feel. present I feel, past I felt, future I will feel. Next is go, present I go, past I went, future I will go. I will go. Next verb is begin. Present I begin, past I begin, future I will begin. I will begin. Next is find. Present I find, past I found, future I will find. I will find. Drink I drink, past I drank, future I will drank. Next is speak. I speak, past I spoke, future I will speak. I will speak. Fly I fly, past I flew, future I will fly. Next verb is forget. Present I forget, past I forgot, future I will forget. Buy. Present I buy, past I bought, future I will buy. Teach. Present I teach, past I taught, future I will teach. I will teach. Next is stand. Present I stand, past I stood, future I will stand. I will stand. Sit. Present I sit, past I sat, future I will sit. Next is say. Present I say, past I said, future I will say. I will say. Sell. Present I sell, past I sold, future I will sell. Verb break. Present I break, past I broke, future I will break. Verb begin. Present I begin, past I begin, future I will begin. I will begin. Verb drive. Present I drive, past I drove, future I will drive. I will drive. Next is choose. Present I choose, past I chose, future I will choose. I will choose. Do. Present I do, past I did, future I will do. I will do. Next is hide. Present I hide, past I hid, future I will hide. I will hide. So friends, this was the short video for your English speaking practice. Do practice as much as you can. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.